you didn't know that inside this tiny golden capsule is a story that stretches from the mysterious depths of the ocean all the way to your kitchen table. This is gonna blow your mind. Have you ever paused, holding a fish oil capsule between your fingers, and truly wondered what's inside? At first glance, it might seem like just another supplement. Simple, unremarkable, and easy to overlook. But the reality is, this little capsule holds a story that's anything but ordinary. It's a tale that stretches from the mysterious depths of the ocean to the cutting-edge labs and factories that bring it to your home. Inside each capsule are omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These are essential nutrients that play a crucial role in supporting your heart, brain, and overall health. But here's the catch. Your body can't produce enough of them on its own, so you need to get them from your diet or supplements. The story of omega-3s actually begins with the tiniest life forms in the sea, algae and plankton. These microscopic plants are the original source of omega-3s fish. In turn, eat the algae, absorbing these healthy fats and passing them up the food chain. This incredible chain of life connects the vast ocean to your kitchen table. Whether you're enjoying a fresh fish dinner or taking a daily supplement, you're benefiting from a natural process that's been happening for millions of years. But how do these vital nutrients make their way from the sea to a tiny capsule? Let's pull back the curtain and follow the journey of omega-3s as they travel from the ocean's depths to the high-tech supplement factories. Along the way, the oil is carefully extracted from fish, then purified to remove any impurities or contaminants. Scientists and engineers use advanced technology to ensure the oil is safe, potent, and ready to be packed into those familiar golden capsules. Understanding this complex process helps you appreciate what you're really taking when you swallow a fish oil capsule. It's not just about popping a pill, it's about making informed choices for your health and knowing the story behind what you consume. So next time you hold a capsule in your hand, remember, it's not just a supplement, it's the result of hard work by fishermen, the expertise of scientists, and the precision of engineers, all working together to bring you the best of the ocean. Every step, from the ocean to the lab to your home, is designed to ensure that what you take is pure, safe, and effective. Quality control and rigorous testing are at the heart of the process. Even the smallest things, like a single golden capsule, can have a big, exciting story behind them. So, let's dive in and begin our adventure, discovering what's really inside. Our story begins in the cold, nutrient-rich Pacific waters off the coast of South America. Here, the ocean teems with life, and vast schools of anchovies, sardines, and mackerel glide through the currents. These small silvery fish are more than just a vital link in the marine food chain. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, making them highly sought after for both their nutritional value and their role in global health. To harvest these fish efficiently, modern fishing vessels are equipped with advanced sonar technology. This allows crews to scan the vast ocean and pinpoint the exact location of dense fish schools, sometimes miles beneath the surface. Once a school is detected, the crew springs into action, working together with precision and speed. Purse seine nets are deployed, encircling the school in a wide loop. As the net closes like a giant drawstring, it traps thousands of fish in a single, coordinated movement. This method is both fast and efficient, minimizing the time the fish spend out of their natural environment. Speed is absolutely crucial at this stage. The fresher the fish, the higher the quality of the oil that can be extracted later. Every second counts, so the crew works tirelessly, hauling in the nets and sorting the catch with practiced hands. Ice is often added immediately to preserve freshness. Once aboard, the fish are quickly transferred into refrigerated seawater tanks built into the ship. These tanks are carefully monitored to maintain the perfect temperature, keeping the fish cold and preventing spoilage. This step is essential for preserving both the taste and the nutritional value of the catch. With their holds full, the vessels waste no time. They race back to port, often arriving within just a day or two of setting out. The clock is always ticking, and every hour saved means fresher fish and better oil. At the dock, a powerful vacuum hose system gently transfers the fish directly from the ship's tanks into the processing facility. This method is not only efficient, but it also helps protect the delicate fish from damage during unloading. Inside the facility, strict hygiene protocols are followed. The fish are handled with care, kept cold, and moved along spotless conveyor belts. This ensures that the catch remains clean, undamaged, and ready for the next stage of processing. The entire process, from ocean to factory, is a race against time and a testament to careful coordination. Every link in the chain is designed to maximize freshness and quality, ensuring that the journey from sea to supplement is as seamless as possible. With the fish now safely at the processing plant, their transformation into pure omega-3 oil is about to begin. The first leg of their journey is complete, but the most critical steps still lie ahead. The journey of turning fish into valuable oil begins as soon as the fresh catch arrives at the factory. Workers quickly unload the fish from boats and sort them by size and species, ensuring only the best quality is used for oil production. Inside the bustling processing plant, the fish are loaded onto conveyor belts and moved into large steam cookers. Here, the fish are cooked with high-pressure steam, a process that not only sterilizes them by killing bacteria and parasites, but also softens their flesh, making it easier to extract the oil. This step is crucial for both food safety and efficiency. Once the fish are thoroughly cooked, they're fed into a massive screw press. This powerful machine crushes the softened fish, squeezing out a thick mixture of oil and water. What's left behind is a dense, protein-rich fish cake, which doesn't go to waste. It's collected and later processed into nutritious animal feed, supporting sustainable practices in agriculture and aquaculture. The extracted oil-water mixture is then pumped into a high-speed centrifuge. This sophisticated equipment spins at thousands of revolutions per minute, using centrifugal force to separate the lighter fish oil from heavier water and solid particles. The result is a clearer layer of crude oil, but it's still far from ready for human consumption. At this stage, the crude fish oil is collected. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are highly valued for their health benefits. However, the oil also contains impurities, such as proteins, pigments, and even traces of heavy metals or environmental contaminants, all of which must be removed before the oil is safe to consume. To ensure the oil meets strict safety and quality standards, it undergoes a thorough purification process. This involves several steps, including filtration, neutralization, and sometimes molecular distillation, all designed to remove unwanted substances and improve the oil's clarity, taste, and nutritional value. The final step transforms the once murky crude oil into a pure golden liquid, ready to be bottled and enjoyed as a healthy supplement. This transformation is a testament to the power of modern food science, turning humble fish into a product that supports heart, brain, and overall health. Purification happens through molecular distillation, a process that separates the good omega-3s from contaminants. The crude oil is heated in a vacuum, allowing it to boil at low temperatures and protecting delicate omega-3s. Lighter molecules like EPA and DHA evaporate first, leaving heavy metals and pollutants behind. The vapor condenses into a pure golden oil, highly concentrated in omega-3s. This process can be repeated for even greater purity. Molecular distillation is essential, ensuring your supplement is free from ocean pollutants. It's science at work, turning a natural resource into a safe, beneficial product. After purification, the oil is delicate and needs protection from oxygen, so antioxidants like vitamin E are added. Sometimes natural flavors are included to prevent fishy aftertaste. The oil is then encapsulated. 2 gelatin ribbons form the capsule, and a precise amount of oil is injected inside. Machines seal and dry the capsules, making them firm and leak-proof. Capsules are inspected, counted, bottled, and sealed to keep them fresh. From ocean fish to a sealed capsule, every step ensures a pure, stable, and effective omega-3 supplement. Line 6. Want omega-3s without fish? Algae oil is the answer. Fish get their omega-3s from eating algae, so scientists now grow microalgae directly in controlled tanks. These algae farms are pollution-free, producing naturally pure oil. The oil is gently extracted, rich in DHA and often EPA, the same omega-3s found in fish oil. Algae oil is a perfect plant-based alternative, offering the same health benefits. It's also sustainable, reducing pressure on wild fish and protecting ocean ecosystems. Science and innovation make algae oil a clean, eco-friendly choice for conscious consumers. The supplement aisle can be overwhelming, but choosing quality omega-3 is simple. Look for third-party testing logos like IFOS or NSF, your best guarantee of purity. Check for molecularly distilled or purified on the label to ensure contaminants are removed. Focus on the amounts of EPA and DHA per serving, not just total fish oil. Higher EPA and DHA mean more health benefits. For sustainability, choose brands certified by the Marine Stewardship Council or opt for algae oil. By checking for these signs, testing, purification, potency, and sustainability, you're investing in a supplement that's safe, effective, and responsible.